because I know everyone is so excited to just meet one another. So when I heard that the reunion is brewing up and it's going to be dubbed as DC I had to recount. Was it really 17 years?
Yay!
Wow! Time flies, and so much has changed. Our looks, our addresses, some of the seating lines. Hindi ikaw yun yung. Oh, and let's not talk about weight and waistlines, okay?
Forget it.
So I guess it must have been a tough job trying to locate one another from around the world. I recall she even suggested that we put name tags on because not everyone may be able to recognize who's who because of the change of looks. Or it could simply just be because of multiple deliveries. Too much anesthesia like me. So hindi na maalala ang pangalan. So I guess to the driving force behind all this, to the driving force behind this event, Weng Sepnyo, and to all those who helped Weng, Alan, make this occasion possible, I think they deserve a round of applause.
Everybody deserves it.
So our looks may have changed. We may have grown just a little bit bigger. But I think the bond that we created right before this place cannot be easily thrown. I'll stick to my speech. So I recall when I had a chance to meet She in Hong Kong. Sa Hong Kong pa, kaya naman magkita. For how many years na? After 10 years?
Yeah, after 10 years.
10 years or so. When I saw her, when we saw each other, parang wala namang bago. It was the same She that I saw. And then it was the same thing when I met Marivic Sinense or Salutatorian back in Paris just this year when I had some business meetings there. It was the same. I saw her as though she was the same big as before. Al-alites, tawa lang kami ng tawa. Hindi kami natulog sa gabi. So, yung mga kasama niya sa bahay, agtaktakada, kaya niya launiti, magkatkatawaan na ito, yun ay tawa lang kami ng tawa. But I think it's that bond that we've created that cannot be really thrown away in their list. So, I'm sure